Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku. Four-star Sudoku. In the additional of the weekend edition of Sunday, January 11th, January the 12th, 2025. It's actually today, Sunday, the 12th, January the 12th, and I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. By the way, Jigsaw Sudoku. In this one, you are interested. This one will be number 9888. 9888. Before I start, I always count a print the digits. Well, this one has always 24 printed digits. The four-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have here 2 twos, we have here 2 threes. How about the fours? 2 fours. How about the fives? 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 1 2 3 eights, and 1 2 nines. It's divided. Okay, let me see which number I can pick. Well, need a 5 here. In this row, the middle row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. Okay. 5, 5. Need a 2 here. So the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. Look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 1 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. Alright, so we have a pair. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. Okay, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in the middle column, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. Okay, and now, Yeah. 2, 2. Need a 6 there, need a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so third column, no, you should place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 6. In this column, 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So here 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. Okay, then let me see. Need a 1 here. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have 1 and 6 in the last column, so no 1 and 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 6 in the column next, so no 1 and a 6 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 1 and 6 goes in these 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1, 1, okay, we have a pair, I believe. Then. Need an 8 here. How about here? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. Come on. Need 7 here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have 6 and the 7 in this column, so no 6 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 6 and the 7 in the first row, so no 6 and the 7 in that box. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 and 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8, 8, 8, okay. Then, in 5 here. In 3 there. Then. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Well, come on. 3, 4, 9, 4, 9. Can it be a 9? In this column, middle column, we need a 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be here then in the middle column. So 1 box left now in this big square for number 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column, middle column for number, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in the last row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. 8, 8. 8. Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. 5. In this column, we need a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. So the only place left for 5 in this column should be there. Okay, and now 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then need a 2 here, need a 2 there. 9 and a 7. Need a 3 here. Need an 8. Well, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Need a 2 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 there. 2 there. 2, 4. Yeah. 6, 7. I need a 9 here. 9, 6, 7. Well, in this big square. No. No. Yes. Yeah, in this row, we need a 7. The second row. Well, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this second row should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be in, and 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For number the 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8, the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and then 9. Okay. And the 6 there. Well. 5 and then 9. Here also 7 and a 9 are missing here. In this column. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 2. 1 and a 2. Need a 1 here. I'm stuck, I believe. I'm stuck. Well, we have a pair. In the last row. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and 2 in this big square, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row. For number the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Here we have a pair, the 1 and the 2. That means 1 digit left in the third column for numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing here. Need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the second column, and only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes, and there. 2, well, need to wait here. 1, 2, need a 9 here. 1, 2, and then need a 6 here. Okay. 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. 5 and a 9. We already have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 5 here, 2. Need an 8 there, 2. 5, 8, and I need a 9 here. Nope, 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, need a 5, the 6, need a 7 here. Yeah, I need a 7 in the last column. Could be here, could be there. 7, 5, 8. Yeah. Oh, wait, 7 and 9. We already have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. I marked this box with 7 or 9. We have a 7 now in this column. So this box should be a 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left, a 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. 1 or a 2, we have a 2 now in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in the 7, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So 2 numbers left in the last column here, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars here. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.